Okay, ready? Hit it.
Hey, big, red, and white, let's fight! Hey, big, red, and white, let's fight! Welcome to the 2023 Teacher of the Year.
Let's give it up for Washington's pre-K teacher, Jenna Chambers.
Why don't we put it with the animals?
Because it's not animals.
Well, it is an animal, but look at it. It's hard to see. But look at it. Why wouldn't we put it with the animals? Why are we putting it with the food?
Because it's meat.
Wait, because it's meat, yes, but what else, Emily?
Eat turkey. Turkey. That's like turkey. Just like
No, it's a chicken.
chicken for eating.
Chicken for eating, yes, but can you eat something that's alive?
No.
No, this has been cooked. Can you eat this now that it's cooked?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. That's.
Let's give it up for Garfield's instructional coach, Laura Glowacki.
Where did they put the cupcakes?
On the window.
Can you think of what could happen?
They can fall
Oh
down.
no, hang on. Some of the cupcakes were gone. They were sure there had been 10. Pete said, maybe we need to count them again. They counted the cupcakes lined up straight. Now there were only 8. So if I had 10 and now I have 8, how many were missing? 2.
Let's give it up for Liberty's 4th grade teacher, Svetlana Daniels.
Now from this point, we go 3 down, 2 left. Say 3
down, 2 left.
1, 2, 3, 2 to left. Put another dot. If you follow the rule, you will end up with a very beautiful parallelogram. So now I just need to connect all these dots in one connection.
Let's give it up for Roosevelt's art teacher, Mary Morse.
So if he's in a 3/4, you're not seeing him straight on, you are seeing him partially, okay? Most of the way. So what we're gonna do is we are going to come over here. I do this so much, but I always have to look. Okay, I'm gonna come down here along the side of his eyes, and I'm gonna stop. So let's do that. You could make it a little closer to his eye if you want to.
Let's give it up for Trout's 1st grade teacher, Diane Greene.
My beforehand is my left hand, my afterhand is my right hand. A is the initial letter, Z is the final letter. M and N are the middle letters, and all the letters in between A and Z are medial letters. A sentence is
Someone something doing something.
a sentence has to have
Capital letter.
end with punctuation, a period, a question mark, exclamation point. All right, good job.
Let's give it up for Woodlands kindergarten teacher Victoria Courtney.
Okay, the story we're going to be reading today in our reading series is Curious George Makes Pancakes. And let's go over the parts of the story. What do we call this? Or the book? Sorry. Cover.
Spine.
Good job. So on our title page, what are we going to find?
Curious George.
Curious George makes, which is what? Is that our title? Right. And what do you know?
Let's give it up for West Middle School's instructional coach Valerie Huffer.
These are your definitions, okay? Does everyone know where to find all the definitions? You guys did definitions and vocabulary yesterday, correct? So you have to define keywords. And then if you see at the top, like, you have to find 5 producers. So can anyone tell me what a producer is? Do you remember? Makes its own food. So you're gonna have to look on this side. You can either like color code them, like if you want to find the 5 producers and color them all pink, then that's fine. Just
Let's give it up for West Middle School's 7th grade math teacher Jasmine Martinez.
The width times the height again. So then you will take your 3 sets and multiply the 3 sets of numbers. So you'll get one number here, one number here, and one number here. And you will add those 3 numbers together. So 2 times 5 times 7. 70 plus 2 times 5 times 7. 70 again.
Let's give it up for East Middle School's Family and Consumer Sciences Kim Sullivan.
Always take the elastic, pin it here because you don't want you're pulling it through. You don't want it to jerk this in through and then we have to start over. Okay, then you take another safety pin, turn your elastic like that so it doesn't rip the elastic. Put it through here. Now take this in, put it through there, push, pull, push, pull. Push. Keep on just doing this until it comes out that hole. Okay?
Let's give it up for Wildcat Academy's math teacher, Mark Kimball.
It's going to be here. Your domain is going to be greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0, I should say, because if you remember right, it's equal to, because your circle is colored in, right? Where does that graph end?
9.
Yeah, all the way up here at 9, right? So our x value is going all the way across. We started here at the left, we hit that point, and we keep going until we hit the last point. And so it's going to be greater than or equal to 0, and x is also less than or equal to 9. And once again,
Let's give it up for Ponca City High School Special Education Teacher Bethany Fredrick.
Window panes per shipment occur least frequently. So which one was the least? Okay, very good. Alright. An author kept a log of how many pages he wrote in the past 3 days. So the page is written, and it's asking how many more pages did the author write on Tuesday than on Monday. So it's counting by 5s, right? So it's at 90, and then this one's at that. So what's the difference? Very good.
Let's give it up for Ponca City High School Special Education Teacher Lisa Webb.
The number of Olympic medals won by certain countries over time. Which country won fewer medals in 1988? Romania or Finland? There's one of them you don't even have to look at.
What?
Did you miss it?
Wait.
How can
When
you miss that?
it's won more medals. And 1988. Oh,
Right, so when you have to look at it, you have to look at 1988, so this is the only column that you're looking at. Okay, so you looked at the wrong date?
Yeah.
Is that,
Well,
darn it.
Let's give it up for Lincoln's first grade teacher Sherry Webb.
Lila, yell out a number for me.
52.
52. Okay? Remember what 52 looks like. What does 52 look like? A 5 and a 2. Okay, so Jaden, how many 10s am I going to have in 52? 5. So I'm going to pull this. Okay? Make 52 on your desk because I'm going to come around and I'm going to check.
Let's hear it for Union's kindergarten teacher Amy Clark.
Don't say it out loud. Write your number. Team captains, when you're ready, stand up and say showdown.
7.
Just write the numeral here. Write the number instead of the tallies.
Oh, I did
Like this. It's okay. I want you guys just to write the number for me because that will be quicker.
7.
Are you guys ready? Stand up and say showdown.
It's not limited. Yeah, no. Everybody
Good. Look like then we're just gonna do it like this.
7.
All right, Adrian, let's start with your table. Show me your numbers. What do you guys have?
Let's give it up for Ponca City High School's language arts teacher, Leanne Smith-Park.
Is there something you would be willing to share?
Love to me is a strong feeling you have for someone or something.
Okay. Strong, oops. Strong feeling. For someone or something. Okay. Who else?
I'd say pretty much the same thing, like a strong feeling of caring or something good for someone.
So it's caring or a positive.
Congratulations to all the nominees.